how to easily add white outlines to an image. So we start off with an image with a transparent background and we just duplicate it. Then we select second image, go to edit, and we're looking for duotone. Once we've got duotone, just pick one of the items there, it doesn't matter which one. And what we need to do is change both the outline and the background color of it. So we click on it, change the highlight to white, and then change the shadows also to white. Once that's in place, select your second image, shrink it just a little bit so it fits inside the outline, drag it into place, bring it to the front, and then probably use your mouse cursor just to move it up or down, left or right, to wherever you need it to be. And there we have an easy way to put white highlights around a photo.